Welcome to the class, students. Today we are continuing our next problem in standardized death rate. Okay, let's see the problem first. Compute standardized death rate for town A and town B, and state which town is healthier. So I'll write down the problem here. Age group in years. Next, town A. In town A, it is population and deaths per thousand. Years I'll write 0 to 9, 10 to 29, 30 to 59, 60 and above. Next, town B, it is population, deaths per thousand, and here they have given the standard population. This is standard population. I'll write down the given data first. First, look at the problem. See, in this problem it is town A and town B. Here we have two towns, town A and town B. In town A they have given population and death per thousand, and for town B also population and death per thousand, and they have given the standard population. Instead of giving deaths, number of deaths, they have given deaths per thousand. That deaths per thousand we can consider it as ASDR. This death per thousand is nothing but ASDR. This is nothing but ASDR for town A. Similarly, for this it is ASDR for town B. So, in this problem, no need to compute ASDRs because death per thousand already they have calculated, that is nothing but ASDR for two towns, and they have given the standard population. So, standard population we denoted it as P, and ASDR of town A we call it as A, capital letter A, and for town B we call it as B. ASDR of town B we call it as B. Let's take the product of P into A, P into B. Okay, take the product of P into A and P into B. P into A, P is standard population, A is ASDR of town A. You have to multiply these two columns so that you will get PA value as 270000, 35, 50,000, 4 lakhs. And this total summation of PA is equal to 1470000. Similarly, we have to take the product of P into B. B is death per thousand for town B. This is B values. Multiply this with P. They will get P into B. It is and take the summation of PB also. It is 1740000, and we have to take the population capital P total, that is summation, it is 1 lakh. Okay. Now the next step is just we have to find standardized death rates. That's it. No need to write ASDR formula or no need to calculate ASDR. Now we are directly finding the standardized death rate STDR for town A. So formula is summation of PA divided by summation P, and this is 147,000,000 divided by 1 lakh, and the value is 14.7. Similarly, find ASDR for town B. This is summation of PB by summation P, and this is 174,000,000 divided by 1 lakh. This is 17.4. Okay, you just compare these two standardized death rates, and we have to state whether which town is healthier, that we have to see. Here STDR for town A is less than STDR of town B. Therefore, town A is more healthier. Town A is more healthier. See here, in which town if we are having less death rates, standardized death rates, that town or a locality we consider it as a healthier. Okay, according to this problem, for standardized death rate, town A it is less than town B, so town A is more healthier. Next one. See, in this problem they have not mentioned or not, they have not given the standard population, but they have told that we have to take, in bracket they have given that take town A population as standard. So we have to consider town A population as standard population. See here, in this problem we have to take town A population as standard population. So no need to calculate the standardized death rate, standardized death rate for town A. If we calculate CDR, crude death rate, for the given data, that itself is the standardized death rate. Okay, so for town A we will calculate the CDR. CDR is equal to death per 1000 into 1000. To calculate this, we have to take the summation of these two, deaths and population, both the total we have to take. So total number of deaths is 1040 and 95,000. So this is 1040 divided by 95,000 into 1000. This is 10.95. So this 10.95 is nothing but standardized death rate for town A, because here town A population we have to consider it as a standard population. For town B we have to calculate the ASDR and standardized death rates. For that it is ASDR for town B. Town B we are calculating, and this is the values are like this: 12.5, 10.4, 15. Already you know that how to find ASDR. So ASDR calculation I am showing for below 5. For below 5 it is death, that is 1000 divided by 8000. So these are the values for ASDR for town B. Next, here the standard population is nothing but town A. So once again I will write down the standard population. Standard population is nothing but P, and I am writing the standard population. This standard population is nothing but town A population. I am rewriting this one. Okay. Now I will take the product of P into B. P into B, I am taking P into B means ASDR of town B into standard population. It is 437,500, 40,000, sorry, 41,600, 2345, and this summation P total is 95,000. And summation of PB total is 11,535,000. Now you find the standardized death rate for town B. It is summation of PB divided by summation P. This is 11,535,000 divided by 95,000, and the standardized death rate for town B is 12.14. So death rate for town A is 10.95 and for B is 12.14. STDR for town A is less than STDR of town B. Therefore, town A is more healthier. Once again I am repeating this, because here we have taken the standard town A population as standard population. Instead of calculating ASDR for town A, we will calculate the CDR. We will calculate the CDR. That value itself is the standardized death rate for the town A. Next we will consider the town B, and here also we will calculate the ASDR of town B, and here standard population is nothing but town A population. I have rewritten that one, and take the product of P into B, then take the summations, then substitute that in the given formula so that you will get the values. Again here standard STDR of town A is less than B. So here also town B is more healthier. In examination you may get this type of problem for 5 marks or 10 marks. Okay. Thank you.